Hello everyone, my name is Parth Gambhir and today I will be discussing my supply chain sustainability assignment, and my topic is sustainable development in the plant-based food industry. This is the table of content. I'll be talking about introduction, industry overview, KPIs, waste reduction options, evaluation and recommendations, conclusion, and references. So first is introduction. Nature of the report. This report examines the global plant-based food industry, focusing on its sustainability practices, specifically waste reduction strategies. The purpose of my report is to analyze and recommend effective waste management options that align with the industry's growth and environmental goals. The methodology of my report includes industry overview, KPIs analysis, evaluation of waste, reduction options, and strategic recommendation. If I talk about the industry analysis, the key processes include raw material sourcing, which is pea protein, soy, oats, almonds, etc. Production techniques include high moisture extrusion, fermentation, and clean label manufacturing. Supply chain includes integration with local farmers, focus on traceability and ethical sourcing. Distribution channels include retail supermarkets, online platforms, and direct to consumer models. Sustainable initiatives include carbon neutral production processes, reduction in water and energy use during manufacturing. The financial overview includes market size and growth. The global market size, which is 44.2 US dollars in 2022, projected to reach $78 billion by 2030. The CAGR of 12.9%, which is from 2023 to 2030. The geographical revenue breakdown is North America is 40%, with its largest share driven by consumer awareness. For Europe, it's 35%, strong regulation on sustainability and growing vegan trends. For Asia Pacific, it's 15%, emerging markets increasing adoption of plant-based diets. And for others, it's 10%. If I talk about the competition and market share, the top players are Beyond Meat, which has 10% of the market share. The second is Impossible Foods, which has 8% of market share. The third one is Nestle, which has plant-based division of 6%, and the smaller brands hold 40% due to niche offerings. For geographic trends, for North America, it's heavy focus on health and fitness. For Europe, it's ethical and environmental marketing themes. For Asia Pacific, it's affordability and taste adaptation to local cuisines. For global campaigns, it's promoting meatless Mondays and reducing carbon footprint. Key elements of the industry includes innovation, continuous R&D, research and development for better texture, taste, and nutrition. For sustainability, it's integral to brand identity and operational practices. For consumer trends, it includes growing demand for allergen-free, high-protein alternatives. And challenges includes competition from traditional food markets and cost of premium ingredients. The next is key performance indicators. For environmental impact, the weight is 30%, and the metrics include carbon footprint, water use. For consumer demand, the weight is 25%, and the metrics include sales growth, repeat customer. For operational efficiency, the weight is 20%, and the metrics include waste and energy efficiency. For innovation index, the weight is 15%, and the metrics include R&D investment and new products. The overall profitability is 10%, and the metrics of profitability includes profit margins and ROI, which is return on investment. Now I'll talk about the waste reduction options. The first waste reduction option is reduce waste through circular packaging. The description includes make the switch to reusable, compostable, or biodegradable packaging materials from single-use plastics. Put in plastic closed loop systems that gather clean, and repurpose spent packaging. The benefits includes reduces landfill trash, which lessens the effect on the environment, satisfies customer needs for environmentally friendly packaging, and it also improves brand recognition and adherence to environmentally friendly laws. The challenges it has is increased upfront expenditures for material sourcing and R&D. And the second challenge is for recycling and reuse to be effective, customer engagement is necessary. For instance, Beyond Meat uses reusable bags and trays. The second waste management techniques include reduce waste by upcycling food the byproducts. Explanation includes convert production byproducts such as oat husks and soy pulp into goods with additional value such as fertilizer, animal feed, or snacks. The benefit includes minimizes that it minimizes waste during manufacturing and makes the most use of available resources. It generates more sources of income from byproducts. It also lowers the price of disposing of garbage. The challenges it has is that it calls for sophisticated processing techniques and the consumer education may be necessary to increase the market may be necessary to increase the market acceptability of upcycled items. For instance, the company produces fertilizer and energy from milk production from leftover oats. The third waste reduction technique is reduce waste AI powered demand prediction. The description includes reduce overproduction and spoiling by using artificial intelligence to examine market behavior, sales patterns, and inventory levels. The benefits improve inventory control and production timelines. It minimizes waste from unsold goods. In addition, lowers expenses and increases operational effectiveness. The challenges it has is that it has large initial outlay for AI training and tools. It needs precise data inputs to forecast well. For instance, Impossible Foods uses predictive analytics to manage supply and demand efficiently. The evaluation of options. Now I'll talk about the evaluation of options. The plant-based food sector prioritizes key performance indicators, which is KPIs, and upcycling food byproducts is the waste reduction strategy that scores the highest. Here is a thorough explanation. The first is circular packaging, which reduces environmental impact by minimizing landfill waste. The second is upcycling food, the byproducts, which minimizes resource utilization and reduces waste during production. The third is AI powered demand forecasting, which improves operational efficiency and reduces cost. Now I'll talk about the recommendation. The plant-based food industry should implement upcycling food byproducts as the primary strategy for waste reduction. But why? The first point is sustainability of the environment. By directly reducing landfill garbage, upcycling lowers methane emissions and helps to reduce carbon emissions. The second point includes consumer demand and market growth. Modern sustainability conscious customer favor products made with innovative eco-friendly practices. The third one includes profitability. It generates new revenue streams from high margin products such as organic fertilizers, functional snacks, or animal feed. The third one includes implement the fourth one is implementation plan, which means determine lucrative byproducts, work with R&D to develop upcycling techniques and use pilot projects to access visibility, collaborate with eco-friendly vendors, make technological investments, and include repurposed goods into sustainability objectives. Start with focused marketing and grow according to demand and financial success. And now I'll talk about the conclusion. The best and most sustainable way to cut waste in the plant-based food sector is to upcycle food byproducts. It satisfies customer demand for eco-friendly items while providing sustainable environmental advantages such as cutting carbon emissions and landfill trash. Businesses may increase operational effectiveness, generate new income streams, and improve profitability by turning byproducts into valuable items. Upcycling also promotes creativity and establishes businesses as sustainability leaders. This method is the best option for long term success in the plant based food industry as it offers a thorough approach to waste, sustainability, and profitability. These are the references which I have used for my report. Thank you very much.